Hello, everyone. Today, I'm very excited that U.com raised $100 million at a $1.5 billion valuation for our Series C. The round was led by Cox Enterprises with participation from our existing investors, Georgian, Norwest, and Salesforce Ventures, among others.
It's been a crazy and transformative 5 years for everyone, including U.com. But one thing has been the same since day one. We're all about accurate answers.
And what's amazing is that we're now giving about 1 billion such answers every month through our APIs for both search and LLMs. AI has entered a new era. Soon, we could have more AI agents surfing the web than people. But search infrastructure was built to let people decide what links to click on. AI agents will need deep contextual information that combines company internal data and the public web.
And that's the gap that we fill in. We've built the highways of the agentic era, powering the AI applications of our customers like DuckDuckGo, Harvey, Windsurf, and many others.
We understand that every company is at a different phase of their AI transformation. That's why we meet you where you are.
We have two different types of solutions. The first is a set of composable APIs for developers, handling crawling, search, reasoning, the infrastructure around tool use, and everything else you would need to build an AI application yourself. The second is our end-to-end solutions, where our teams work with yours to build exactly the right application for your use case.
And our benchmarks show that we outperform both the larger players and all the smaller competitors. Our APIs are fast, affordable, accurate, and up-to-date with real-time information from the web. I'm incredibly excited about where we're headed. Every technology will become an infrastructure layer to superintelligence. I'm also incredibly grateful to all our amazing customers, incredible employees, our partners, and investors.
Let's build the next generation of AI together. Go get your API keys, talk to us, or join the U.com team. We're just getting started, and we're happy to have you along as well.